our final bout of Rich Franklin's One Warrior Series this Thursday night. Hyun Jin Lee against Shinechakta Zoltsatseg in the featherweight division. High-level mixed martial artists coming your way. Every chance that the winner of this one takes another significant step towards the $100,000 US contract that Rich Franklin gives out somewhat sparingly, I must say. He doesn't just fling them out towards anybody.
Touch gloves.
Gotta do something spectacular, and we've had a lot of spectacular people enter One Championship through this vehicle, including your two-sport world champion, Stan Fairtex, and one of these individuals is hoping for that same opportunity.
Yeah, if anyone is ready to show you what can be done from this platform, Stan Fairtex is the person.
We got Lee against Zoltsatseg, otherwise known as Shine, so we're going to call him Shine from this point out.
Look at these two.
I like that, that Mitch. Can appreciate that.
Shine's got lightning fast strikes. He is definitely exciting. He boxed at the Rio Olympics, so you know his hands are legit. Lee is 2-0. Everybody's moving up here in weight, so these guys, first time at this particular weight. Long, rangy style there coming from Lee.
Look how tall Lee is. Is this standing so high? Yeah, look how high the jab hand is over the jab hand of Shine.
Also, his chin is up there too.
Yeah, that's the downfall of it, right?
You can have that high guard, but you gotta keep that chin tucked. Shine goes to the body with a nice straight right hand. Let's see if Shine can explode. He's a little more patient than we've seen him in the last time.
Both of them switching stances. Southpaw the other.
Oh, nice.
Big
Left and right.
Oh, that hurt.
He's in a lot of trouble, Lee. Shine really going for it, and it's over. What a finish that was, and look at how happy he is.
Man, you can't not leave your chin up in the air when you are facing Shine Zoltsatseg. He will turn your lights out.
Can't be far away from a ticket to the big time now, surely. 5-2 his record.
Just hurt him and then never gave him a moment to regain his composure. Look at that.
Oh, digging into the body.
To the head, and just crumbles Lee. Oh, I'd love to see this guy in One Championship. But
You just may.
those hands is something fierce. Why would you want to stand with him? Why would you keep your chin up in the air?
He certainly made a case tonight why he deserves a contract. I'm just gonna say.
Yeah, not our decision, but I think he's kind of making decisions for everybody, isn't he? Just with his hands and feet. Super stuff.
Winner!
Shinechakta Zoltsatseg improves to 5-2 with a furious finish. Strenuous finish it was. Very intelligent punches to the body before finishing things to the head. Hyun Jin Lee not getting through this one, but he is of a quality to tell us that he can come back another day. Hope you've enjoyed the action here in Singapore. Rich Franklin's One Warrior Series. Steve Dawson, Miesha Tate and Mitch Chilson saying we'll see you next time.